Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video we are going to solve the set number 7 from our session on Venn diagram. So the question says that out of a group of 245 pilgrims, 105 visited Badrinath, 95 visited Kedarnath and 95 visited Somnath. 15 of them visited all three shrines while 190 visited exactly one of the three shrines. The number of pilgrims who visited exactly two out of the three shrines is 3 times as many as those who have not visited any one of the three shrines. So first thing what we will do is we will make a universal set. Okay, sorry guys. So we will make a universal set. So this is Badrinath, this is Kedarnath and this is Somnath. Okay, so Badri, Kedar and Som. We have A, B, C, we have D, E, F and G and N. Okay, so let's write it A, B, C, D, E, F, G and N. So we have already been given that the value of G is going to be 15. Okay. After that we have been given that A plus B plus C is 190. So what we will do is we will write a first equation which we have been writing. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus N is equal to 245. Out of these we know A plus B plus C, we know G. So what we can find out? We can find out E plus D, D plus E plus F plus N, and that will be equal to 245 minus 190 and minus 15, that is minus 205. So value will be 40. One more thing which we have been given is that D plus E plus F is equal to 3n. See, it has been given that the people who visited exactly 2 is thrice the number of people who visited none. So from this equation we can say that 4n is equal to 40, or we can say n is equal to 10. Okay, so n is 10, and D plus E plus F, that is the people who visited exactly 2 of them, are going to be equal to 30. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let's move towards the question, because there is nothing else which we can do. Question 1 says that how many pilgrims have not visited any one of the three shrines? That means none of them. It is asking about none of them. So answer will be option number B, that is 10, because we have calculated that 10 people did not visit any of them. Then we have how many pilgrims who visited not more than one shrine. So not more than one, that means they cannot visit two, they cannot visit three. So what they can visit is the people who visited none of them and the number of people who visited one of them. So none of them is 15, none of them is 10 and one of them is 190. Total will be 200. Answer will be option number D. Question 3. If the number of pilgrims who have visited at least one of the two shrines, Kedar and Somnath, is 165, then how many pilgrims visited only Kedar and Somnath? So what we have been given is that the total number of pilgrims who visited Kedar and Som. Okay, so Kedar and Som. Now here what we are going to do is we will use the, because see what we have to find out, you have to find out the value of F. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to use the classic definition of Venn diagram, that is, let me tell you, Somnath union Kedarnath is going to be equal to the number of Somnath plus number of Kedarnath minus the number of S intersection K. The reason behind that is, what is S union K? S union K is going to be C plus B plus G plus D plus F, whereas S is going to be C plus D plus G plus F. Okay, it is going to be C plus D plus G plus F. Similarly, if Kedar is going to be B plus E plus G plus F, okay, G plus F, and okay, sorry guys, here E will also be included. Sorry, I missed that part. So and from that we will subtract G and F. Okay, so G and F will be subtracted, not G plus F, it will be G minus F. So this G and F will get cancelled, and what we are left with, C plus D, that is C, D, G and F, here also G and F, and B and E, here we have B and E. So this is the classic definition of Venn diagram. Okay, so this is what we are going to use. Now S union K we have been given as 165, S we have been given as 95, K we have been given as 95. Subtraction S intersection K, that is G and F. So that is G plus F. You can check it from here. Okay guys, just hold on a second. See, intersection is G and F. Okay, so what we will do is G plus F. So from here we can find that G plus F is equal to 90, 90, 180 and 590 minus 165. So G plus F is going to be 25. Out of that G is 15, we know that. So that means F will be equal to 10. So answer will be 10. That is 10 people are there who visited only Kedar and Somnath, which was the question asked to us. Only Kedar and Somnath, that is F, that is 10. So answer will be C, 10. Let's move towards the fourth question. If 180 pilgrims visited at least one of the two shrines, Kedar or Badri, similar to the previous one, just in case of Somnath, here it is Badrinath. How many people visited only Somnath? Now only Somnath is what they are asking, but they have been given Badri and Kedar. Acha, in the previous question, if you see, Somnath and Kedarnath was given, and we were able to find the value of only Kedar and Som. So in this case, Badri and Kedar are given, so we can definitely find the value of only Badri and Kedar. That means we can find the value of E. If we find the value of E, because we know D, E, F, we can find the value of D and F. Also, we know the value of G and we know the value of S. So we know exactly what I mean to say is we know C plus G plus F plus D, and we know D, G, F. Then we can easily find out C. So let us find out the value of E first. So again, what we are going to use is the classic one of Venn diagram. Okay. So let's do that. Just a second, guys. Okay. So here what we are going to do is, see, Badri union Kedar is going to be Badri plus Kedar minus Badri intersection Kedar. Okay, so Badri plus union Kedar we have been given as 180, Badri we have been given as 105, and Kedar is 95. Minus it is G plus E. So it is G plus E, so G plus E will go this side and it will be 20. So if it is 20, sorry, this is not F, this is E. So E will come out to be 5 because G is 15. So when E is 5, we know that D plus E plus F is 30. So E is 5. So D plus F will be 25. And if D plus F is 25 and we know G is 15, so we know that in Somnath only C is extra included, and including C the total value goes to 95. So from 95 if we subtract 25 and we subtract 15, we get 95 minus 40, that is we get 55 as our correct answer. So for this set, for the last question, the answer will be 55. So I hope it's clear. Again, as you can see, we only used the method in which we wrote each and every equation, and then using the classical Venn diagram definition, we solved our set. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you have understood it well.